Although the manufacturing industry is depressed in all aspects, servo motors have maintained a good growth. Why can servo motors grow year by year? Where will it explode in the future? What are the reasons behind the scale growth of servo motors? Today, we will talk about it. In China, the market size of servo motor industry will reach 22.3 billion yuan in 2024, up 14.36% year on year. And it is predicted that it will grow from 16.26 billion US dollars in 2024 to 17.42 billion US dollars in 2025. In fact, the growth is not only in China, but also in the servo motor market in the United States, which is growing steadily. It is said that the 80-20 rule is a market law, and it is the same in this industry. A few big players occupy a large share of the market, while the rest are scattered into many small players. Although there is a certain growth rate, but with the increasing transparency of information, the information gap is gradually reduced. The cost of servo motor is no secret. In order to seize orders have also appeared a lot of low-price servo motor products. Of course, the quality is uneven, so 1 penny for $1, improve the quality is the foundation of development. In recent years, all kinds of products are developing towards automation against all odds. It's not unlikely that our future will be a scene of automation across all things. Take manufacturing, for example. There's no need to elaborate. The rate of automation is getting higher and higher. After all, replacing human labor with robots is every boss's dream. And in the automotive industry, the most critical aspect is the automation of robots. Robots should be the most crucial breakout point for the servo motor market in the future. Servo motors and robots are a perfect match. Because servo motors can be made very small yet powerful, they can not only be programmed but also achieve extremely precise control, allowing for almost perfect repeatability in their movements. It can almost be understood that wherever there are robots in the future, servo motors will inevitably be present. Currently, the most widely used application is probably robotic arms. If you want to use robots to do work, you first need to invent hands. Otherwise, how can they do any work? But at present, in China, the market share of servo motors is only 8.7% for robots, which can be said to be a very promising field in the future, because it has not yet reached an explosive period. In the modern people's imagination of future technology, servo motor has become an essential one. Especially for Industry 4.0, servo motor can play a significant role, such as collaborative robots, precision medical equipment, and intelligent manufacturing, etc. And people especially like small things. All technology products end up being smaller and smaller, for example, from early calculators to today's computers. From early PCs to today's smartphones, the same principle applies to future servo motors. They will become smaller, lighter, and more energy efficient, making it easier for them to enter the consumer market and serve us. Therefore, miniaturization is certainly a trend in the future development of servo motors. I hope that the machines of the future will lighten human labor and enhance humanity rather than being used to control humans.